Well, I stole an idea from Bill Lutz, and the idea was the Priority Box Challenge. And what that is where you take a small Priority Mail flat rate box and you load it up with stuff and you send it to another maker and see what they can do with what you send them. Now, I found a couple of people to take me up on the challenge. Let's see what they're going to get. We'll start out with some keys. I recognize that one. That's a Motorola radio key. A linear slide bearing, about a yard of neoprene rubber tubing, a couple slices of oak off a chair, and a slice of titanium, a bubble level element, a piece of aluminum square tubing. Here's a hunk of PVC, a set of battery powered Christmas lights, an Arduino microcontroller. Just to make sure they can program that controller, we'll give them a programming cable. There's a relay element, a motion detector, some jumper wires, and a power supply for it. Now, the objective of the Priority Box Challenge is to just take all that stuff and make whatever you can with it. There are really no rules. The idea is to use as much of it as you can, preferably in a single piece. If you spread it out over a couple of projects, that's okay too. It can be anything you want. You can make an art piece, or you could try to put that stuff to use. Now, it's called a challenge for a reason. The idea is to get you outside your comfort zone and introduce you to something new. Because if all we did was the same old stuff, we'd just never make any progress or innovate anything. Now, the victims for the challenge are Steve over at Steve's Custom Carvings, Mark over at Southern Steel Fab, and Mike over at Hyperactive Upcycling. And I'll leave links to all their social media presences down in the doobly-doo below. Now, the three of them have also agreed to provide me with priority mail boxes filled with who knows what. So I'll look forward to receiving them and making YouTube videos of whatever I produce with them in the near future. So wish them luck, and me too, when I get their surprise packages in the mail. So that's all for this time. Thanks for stopping in. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.